What are you looking at? This will never stop. Everything in this world may come to an end, but time never stops. Time is free, yet priceless. You cannot buy time, but you can use it. Once lost, you can never get it back. If you're watching this video, I'm certain you already know that time is as valuable as money. We work with time, but when it comes to spending money, we think carefully before making any decision. We hesitate to spend even 50 rupees without a second thought, but when it comes to wasting time, why don't we think the same way? The reason is simple. We believe we have plenty of time, days, weeks, months, years, and a whole lifetime ahead of us. On the other hand, money feels limited, so we value it more. But let me tell you, if you think you have unlimited time, you're living in a great illusion. As Gautam Buddha said over 2,000 years ago, man's greatest mistake is thinking he has time. Some people even believe that money is greater than time, or at least equal to it. I disagree. Time is more valuable than money. You can use time to make money, but you can never use money to buy time. Even if you offer a rupee for 1 second, you won't get it back. Some people say they don't have time, but think about it. Just as every deck of cards has 52 cards equally, every person is given 24 hours in a day. Cristiano Ronaldo's friends might spend their time partying, but Ronaldo invests his time in practice and hard work. The amount of time we all have is the same. It's how we use it that makes the difference and shapes our greatness. We save time by using shortcuts like shampoo showers, and some of us work tirelessly 365 days a year without taking a single day off. Everyone gets the time they need to change their life, but life never gives us another chance to reverse time. Even ants collect food during the summer so they can survive the rainy season. They understand that if they don't prepare, they'll starve when the rain comes. Just like money isn't deposited in our bank account daily, but our life account is credited with 86,400 seconds every day. By the end of the day, not a single second remains. So use your time wisely. Make every second count. When you wake up each morning, tell yourself, I won't waste a single second today. You either change yourself or let time change you. If you change yourself, that's progress. But if time forces you to change, it might bring pain. Time isn't just important, it's the most important thing. Just like investing money in the wrong place causes financial loss, spending your time in the wrong way can ruin your life. Subscribe now for more motivational content. Don't miss out.